Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you how to use the Art History Brush tool of Photoshop. This tool makes any image appear like a painting when you apply the brush over the image. It is very much different from the History Brush tool. The History Brush allows you to paint with a previous state or snapshot of your image, while the Art History Brush lets you paint with different artistic effects and styles based on the brush options that you select in the options bar. Hello everyone, in this lesson you will learn how to use the eraser tool Flyout. The background eraser tool is used by editors to erase the pixels in a layer to make the image transparent by dragging the brush in the desired area. The magic eraser allows you a little more freedom with erasing hues and portions of the image which have similar characteristics. The first tool under this is the eraser tool. This tool can make pixels transparent or match them to the image background color that is selected in the toolbox.